Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a focus on an exciting product we discovered, the Creality Hyper PETG filament. We've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the Creality Hyper PETG filament is. This high-speed 3D printer filament, measuring 1.75 mm in diameter, is designed to enhance your printing experience. It stands out in the market for its impressive printing speeds, allowing you to print at rates of up to 600 mm per second. That's 3 to 5 times faster than standard PETG filaments. This makes it an exceptional choice for both beginners and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts alike. One of the most significant advantages of this filament is its combination of the best attributes of other materials like PLA and ABS. With higher toughness and durability, the Creality Hyper PETG is not just quick but also robust. Additionally, its high transparency allows light to pass through, giving your prints a stunning visual effect that's perfect for artistic projects or functional items. Speaking of functionality, let's discuss its water and UV resistance. This feature makes it suitable for outdoor models, ensuring that your creations can withstand the elements without losing their integrity over time. Whether you're printing garden decorations or outdoor tools, this filament is built to last. Another highlight of the Creality Hyper PETG is its dimensional accuracy. With a diameter tolerance of just plus or minus 0.03 mm, you can expect consistent and smooth printing performance, reducing the chances of clogging during your projects. Plus, the filament is neatly wound on the spool, minimizing issues related to tangling or breakage, which can be frustrating when you're in the middle of a print. This filament is widely compatible, making it suitable for most 3D printers and even 3D printing pens. Its versatility means you can use it for a variety of projects, from vases and garden tools to artistic models and mechanical components. The possibilities are endless. For the best results, Creality recommends printing temperatures between 190 and 260 degrees Celsius, with a hotbed temperature around 45 degrees.